Coach P here.
Meat here.
Now, we spent some time today cleaning up some of our essentials, our tools, as we may have to start doing the hunter-gatherer. And Meat here wants to demonstrate on how to disassemble and reassemble his self-loader. Have fun watching this one.
All right, so you start off first by checking your chamber, making sure nothing's loaded. Nothing's loaded, so let the slide go back. Okay, we're gonna start off by taking the mag cap off. And by doing that, you can take off the forearm and the barrel. Second, we're gonna be taking the trigger mechanism out, so you can get yourself a little screwdriver, a little pin, and you pop out this little pin right here. Push through, pull it out, make sure you don't lose it. It just takes a little bit of pulling, and there you have that out. We're going to be taking the slide arms off, and how you start off is you disconnect it from the side, pushing down on them so they go onto the mag tube, and you just slide off the slide. That way this becomes free moving. And you come over here. I use pliers, you don't have to. And you grab this pin, and you pull it out, and you have to make sure that you have your finger or something blocking the piston and the spring, so that way they do not fly out or break anything. All right, now on to reassembly. So you still have your free moving slide. So we're gonna add first is the slide arms. You can see these grooves on the ends of them. You make sure that those are facing up. And inside, there's these slots in the metal that you slide the arms into. And you always make sure that this hole is over this slot in the mag tube, so you can connect it to the spring and piston later. All right, now onto the spring and the piston. The piston has these 3 little holes. Always make sure that the big hole is facing down when entering the mag tube. And the spring has a side with a bulge and a smaller tip that is gonna be going into the piston like that. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna slide it down, make sure you have a good hold on it. You're gonna enter it in, you're gonna grab your pin, and you're gonna make sure you line it up with the slide arms. Like that. Now on to entering the trigger mechanism. You can see that they have these little grooves inside that these tips will be going into. This just takes a little gentle touch, sometimes a little jiggle, and boom, it's in. And now we have to enter the pin. Make sure that the holes are aligned. Takes sometimes a good little push, and it's in. Now we are going to be putting the forearm and the barrel back on. Okay, and you can see inside of the forearm that there's these grooves on both sides for the mag tube and the barrel, and there's a circular groove here for this little thing right here. And what's important about this is they have 2 little ports inside that when you shoot a shotgun shell, the gas from the shot goes through these holes and into the piston, which allows for it to self-load, which is why it's a self-loader. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna make sure that this end with the circular cutout goes into this, just like that. And you're gonna slide the whole thing onto the rest of the gun, like that. And then you're gonna connect everything again with your mag cap. Now you have your Winchester Model 1400 MK2 self-loading shotgun, 12 gauge, ready to go.
Hey, we hope you had fun with that one. And just remember,
Keep on keeping on.
you got it.